Hi YouTube, I'm back. I'm on day 9 now, and I'm down a total of 10.2 pounds. I had another decent drop yesterday. It was this morning it was 1.2, and I'm kind of confused by that because my friend came to visit like 5 days early. Typically my cycle is every 27 days. I don't remember the first day of last month, but I do know that it wasn't due yet, so I don't know if the HCG just kind of kicked stuff in, but at least because I guess technically then I've been on HCG for 11 days, which makes it okay. So I didn't take my HCG today. I'm not hungry at all. Actually, I don't want to eat anything. I think that's just because of some personal stuff going on, and I managed to force down a piece of chicken, and I'm going to try to do that again later. It was really forcing it down, and on the upside of that, normally I load my food with hot sauce and salt, and I'm totally not doing that because I don't even want to eat it. So it's just a matter of going through the routine. Despite how I look at the moment, despite seeming like I'm really I have tons of energy, and so it's been really great. I've lost like 17 pounds since September, and that just hit me today, and I was like, yeah. Oh, screaming children! Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna cut this short now because I hear them. But I really am having fun on this, and hope that I get through the next few days with no problems. And that's really it. So talk to you soon. Bye.